Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to activate the Royal Pass in Royal Match. And yes, this is the latest working method for 2025. So let's get straight into it. First things first, open up your Royal Match app. Make sure you're logged into your account, since activating the Royal Pass requires account access for all the features to work properly. Now, here's something important. You need to be at least level 27 in the game to unlock the Royal Pass. If you're not there yet, keep playing until you reach that level. Once you hit level 27, go to the shop section in the game. Scroll through until you find the Royal Pass option. It should be clearly visible. To activate the Royal Pass, it costs 1900 PKR. Why you tap? Well, you tap on that option, you'll see a list of exclusive bonuses you'll get, like 8 lives instead of 5, a golden profile picture frame, a golden name, and even the ability to gift to teammates. Just tap the 1900 PKR button, follow on the screen payment instruction, and you're good to go. Once that's done, the Royal Pass will be active and you'll be able to enjoy all the sweet extras. And that's it, super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and guides.